Hello my dear students, hi, how are you? You're highly welcome in my channel. We're going to learn something new, but not very new. We are still in the continuation of our lesson, reading. We learned how to read words with the letter A, E. Now we are on O, and then after O, we are going to learn A, which actually is U in alphabet, and then from there we shall learn something different. I hope that you are ready, and let us grab our pen and we learn together. Here we are in O, okay? Words that has letters O, and these words has their pictures down in the box here. But for now, let us first focus on the words, and then we shall come to their pictures. Here we have B plus O, that is bo, and then if you add Y, actually Y sound also like E. When you see Y, you'll sound it E. So B plus O is bo, plus Y is boy. Here we have C plus O, the next one, this one here, C plus O, that is ko. Okay, I want to write but can't allow me. C plus O, that is ko, plus this T, it becomes coat. And then D plus O, that is do. If you add there G, okay, this G, that is dog. And then P plus O, this O, that is po. Po plus T becomes pot. And then L plus O, that is low. You add G, becomes log. B plus this O, that is bo. Let me write here B plus O, that is bo. Okay, so bo, if you add that, this X becomes box. And then this F, okay, plus O, that is 4 plus X, okay, now it becomes fox. But then this one here, now it has many letters. This C here is vowel, and R is also vowel. So it's no longer vowel and consonant from the beginning. This C plus R, it is consonant and consonant. So consonant and consonant cannot give you a clear sound. Yes, but this one we have been having consonant and vowel, consonants and vowel. But this one is quite different. It is consonant and consonant. So if you're to read this C and R, it will be kr, okay, but then this R is consonant or is vowel, can be ro. So from C to R O, it is crow. Okay, from here it is crow, and then with double S it's s, hissing sound, which is cross. But only C R is kr. The sound is incomplete. If you add O, it is crow, and then double S, cross. Here we have D and O. We have consonant and vowel. D is consonant, okay, so D plus O, this is do, with double L, that is doll. We are on this one here, doll. And then also D with O, it's still do, okay, plus T, it gives you dot. Dot. This picture one, we have coat. Yeah, this stuff is called coat, and coat is a bed for a little child or a baby. So coat we have CO. Okay, this is co plus T. Okay, plus T, that becomes now coat. And then this one is doll, D. Okay, O, it becomes do with double L. The word is complete. Yeah, then it's end with double consonant and also single consonant. And then this one is box. Okay, picture number 3, we have box. Box, we have consonant, vowel, okay, plus X. Box, B-O is bo, with X, box. And then this one is an animal that looks like a dog, but it's called fox. Okay, fox, we have consonant F and vowel O, that is 4, with X, fox. And then picture number 5, we have a boy. With a boy, we have consonant B, vowel O, okay, that is bo, and then plus Y, it becomes boy. I told you Y is equivalent to A in term of sound. Yeah, in term of sound is like A, boy. And then this one here, we have picture number 6, we have, it's called log. Log is just a piece of a tree stem. Okay, this one is a stem of a tree but just cut into piece, therefore it is log, L-O, consonant and vowel, yeah, plus G. Okay, plus G, it is log. Okay, this is plus G. Log, you add the G, you get log. Then picture number 9, we have consonant and consonant. Consonant and consonant, you cannot get a clear sound. Yep, so this one is only kr. Yeah, but if you get this vowel, you add the consonant O, and then you get ro. So crow with double S becomes cross. And here we have a pot. This picture number 8, P, consonant plus vowel. Remember, consonant and vowel, you really get a proper sound, but consonant and consonant, you cannot get a proper sound. Yes, so here we have po because it's consonant and vowel, and then T, pot. Just easy like that. Then the second last one, we have a dog. We have D, consonant D, okay, with vowel O. Let me write this D well. D with O, this is do. Da, de, di, do, da. So this is do plus that one, plus that G, which is dog. And then this one is a dot. Okay, D, O with T, you get a dot. Yeah, I believe that you have understood it, and I believe that it is well with you. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, but we shall have a continuation. Yes, we shall have a continuation on this lesson, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.